Hello everyone, are you ready? Let's start the show. Wow, today is another great value day. Come with us on a journey to the 100 years into the future. Beyond the world of Superman. Episode 8.4 Rainbow invites global readers to obtain answers to infinite treasures. The high plasticity of children's brains. In early childhood, the brain has extremely high plasticity, meaning that children will enrich themselves in accordance with the environmental changes they receive. Language, emotion, images, sounds, and so on. Comprehensive, multidimensional, rich, high-quality input will directly shape more multimodal and more efficient neural circuits in children's brains. The human brain operates on the principle of use it or lose it. Children's brains will timely adjust by eliminating neural connections that are not often used, and will retain and strengthen neural connections in the brain that are frequently used. This is why the language, environment, reading, and so on that children experience in their early years will play a crucial role in the development of their future abilities. The environment and education and so on that children experience in their early years are of vital importance to their entire lives. And whatever children use, the brain will retain. And over the course of growth through time, the wisdom preserved in children's brains will take root, sprout, blossom, and bear fruit. Even before the future arrives, according to the current capabilities on Earth, the capacity to cultivate children at age 3 inclusive and 3 years old and under can also be increased without limit. At present, even if children at age 3 inclusive and 3 years old and under can only understand and absorb about 1% of the content in the Rainbow Prophecy 21st Century series of books, if a child grows up accompanied throughout by the Rainbow Prophecy 21st Century series of books, the knowledge and wisdom in the books will naturally take root, sprout, blossom, and bear fruit across the child's life, and the child's future will usher in an abundant life. And age 3 inclusive and 3 years old and under is itself the beginning of a very high starting point, singularity, and initiation point in an individual life, with a very high starting point. Age 3 inclusive and 3 years old and under is also the earliest and best time of choice in an individual life. One must believe that the power inherent in children is inexhaustible. Quickly search the entire internet, Rainbow Prophecy 21st Century, for this mysterious book of hope. After reading it, you'll know all the answers to the future. Please see the next episode. Episode 8.5 Rainbow invites global readers to obtain answers to infinite treasures. For more shocking and exciting content. Oh, this episode has ended.